no source, man. That's it. That's it. My bad, my bad. So let me see what this price is going to do. So we do see displacement, holy. So miss the entry. That's still fine. Let me see if we can get maybe a 1-to-1 or something like that. So the entry is a little bit late. I would like to put my stop loss below this candle body because I don't want to see price go back lower again. As of now, we could go for 1-to-1 here, or you could be looking for 25 to 30 pulls as of now because in June liquidity is still higher. So let me see. Yeah, why is this black? So I want to see displacement above this high. We don't want to see this high used as a reversal point. We want to see this used as support for price to go where? Higher. So let me see what this price will do. So we do see the candle closure above the high. We do see the candle that retrace because what do we see here? The candle wicked into the high, so into the fixation. What do we see? Displacement. We want to see displacement occur as of now. So displacement is happening. We want to see this candle just push to the upside. So our TP got hit there. Yo, oh my bad, fuck. So our TP got hit there. So as of now, our narrative was right. I don't know, man. It's black. No, I'm joking, man. I'm joking. So as of now, our entry was based off of what? The BC retracement, the PXH, the disrespect of the CB, and the continuation higher. To be honest, I really did not expect a continuation higher, but price was really not giving me any reversal signals because you want to see that at 9:45, what did price do? Yeah, price made the manipulation here. I want to see that as of now, price is still kind of respecting what? This inverted fair value gap here because price retrace into and displays higher. To be honest, from this SMT, from this status up here, the real entry would be something like this, where price goes below the swing low, anticipating the market structure shift. So the stop loss will go up there and people will go maybe like 30 pulls there, something like this. To be honest, Khalid, yeah, like this entry at 9:52, either at 9:52 or do you see the 9:51 order block? As soon as this candle displaces away from the order block above the inverted fair value gap, we can enter there. If the stop loss above this candle we close, and you can target maybe 1-to-1. This is still valid because we are still looking for a continuation higher as the manipulation is telling me, okay, what is price telling me? Manipulation at the lows, we do see displacement higher. Yeah, the manipulation was there. Yeah, my bad. The manipulation was here, and price was displacing higher. No, bro, always. Bro, KV, bro, always, always. So if you get SMT but no displacement favoring this direction, the displace in the opposite direction, do ignore it. To be honest, yo, what's it? My bad. Just let me this. So I love to replay, to role play. Holy man. So you want to see that an SMT is valid only if narrative and dual liquidity aligns with it. So want to see that if narrative was bullish, we want to see that why is this SMT value? Why? Because we do see that we do have a clean 4-hour CB high. We do see this hourly high left open there. We want to see that as of now, this SMT aligns with the narrative and the dual liquidity. That's why, and we do see displacement. Displacement from an SMT is going to tell you if it's going to hold yes or no. Go up, let me go up. Do we have any questions? Yeah, there was the candle here, like the entry was like something about here, like this was the optimal entry. But I really just wanted to see maybe a candle closure with tracing into the peak stage because you want to see that price really has nothing here. So you're most likely going to give a deeper retracement because you want to see that as of now, price has to move a lot because if you look here, the next Joe liquidity is here. This is the next Joe liquidity. You want to see that the more far away a Joe liquidity is, the deeper the retracement will be. Because you see this clear retracement happen because price wants to go higher, like really, really high. Because you want to see that from this candle to here, this is like 75 points. Price will not run 75 points without rebalancing into a PDRA first. Okay, show the rest of the market because I want to see what we do inside of the newly opening gaps. Okay, let's see. But as of now, Julia, I really feel that price is going to look for higher prices, to be honest, Jay. Because the Joe liquidity is going to be most likely this 4-hour CB because it's clean. Like that's why, because when you see that clean CB and BC, these are the like really, really good targets. Like you can enter here, to be honest. Like you can even take your entry here and target this 4-hour CB. but we did tap into the 4 hour CB. We do see accumulation, displacement higher still. So to be honest, you could have hold this trade like you could have traded like you enter here, your enter is there. You trade as soon as this candle start to displace higher. Let's say your TP is there, okay? You trail to your TP, like to your initial TP. So like 1 to 1, where's 1 to 1? So 23. So this is no value. So to be honest, if you do see displacement higher, you could be trading maybe here, but you want to see the price could easily rebalance here, then go higher again. So do you think it just the to be honest, KV, just use whatever like use whatever time frame makes like how can I say that? Because I use the 1 hour and that's it. To be honest, the 1 hour and the 50 minute time frame because it's really clear for me to read price and do everything. Find the time frame that suits you. So if the 4 hour suits you, if the 1 hour suits you, well that's fine, bro. Like the 1 hour the day that so use the daily to ask yourself, where is the daily candle going to? Like where is the daily draw liquidity? Is it higher or lower? And then look on the 1 hour time frame to see what is price telling you. If you do see a 1 hour bullish SMT aligning with daily candle, you can expect the narrative to be higher. But as you know, okay, when you do see all the high time frame like corporates aligning, go on the 1 minute time frame and look at what is price telling you internally. Like then see what is price going to show you. Young Tug, bro, I've been trading till last April ICT, but this model has been like 4 or 5 months. Right, so do you have any more questions about this day? This was a really good day to us. Like it was a little bit tricky because I think that people would have really just shorted here. But I want to see that. Like, I don't know, man. It was a little bit mixed because let me see on the 4 hour time frame. Let me see if we do have clear. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do see a rebalance into the volume imbalance. So you want to see that. Like this is a tip for every P array if from a feeder we don't see immediate displacement, so you want to see that, so you want to see, my bad. So you want to see this from the new day opening up. You want to see price do this. We retrace and we do see immediate displacement. Maybe a return manipulation, then we see displacement. If price does not displace away from a feeder array, expect this to be a fake feeder. So this is what this is to engineer liquidity because if you go on the 1 minute time frame, what were people doing here? People were trying to short here, look for the whole move, maybe for this low and this low. Then price does what? It just reverses on the Y because you want to see what is price telling me candle by candle. As this candle we trace into the wicks here, what is price telling me? The price is looking for bullish prices. As we do see that from this displacement, from this weak retracement displacement, what does price do? Price displaces through an inverted fair value gap. So this inverted fair value gap is still valid. Why? Because price did not retrace into it and displace higher. Because you want to see that if this 946 candle displays through the inverted fair value gap and through the swing low, then the short idea would be valid, but we don't see any displacement from this order block. This is just an order block. Yeah, it is an order block, but this is just like there is nothing like telling you that this order block is going to work out. So on every trade that you will not enter if you don't get bearish candle closes and retrace. Not cash, I will. But to be honest, in this case, I wanted to wait more because like the candle closure above here was really weak. To be honest, I could have entered somewhere around here, like something like this. But the stop loss has to be at least below here or here because I'm entering on the displacement. You want to see that when you enter on the displacement, you have to give room for the rebalance because you want to see that if I did put my stop loss here, you're going to get raped. That's why you want to give room for price to retrace into the P race because you want to see that if price goes below this BC, where is price going to go next to your stop loss? But if price respects this BC, where is price going to higher? That's why have a logical stop loss. So let's say okay, it's 35 points, but that's still fine. Like time 1 to 1 was you know that what price is most likely going to go to the clean CB up there. Let's say you target that one. Not bad image trace. That's good. That's good. So from a high time from BC to CB, the true confirmation that speeds respect is based on versus you. Yeah, man. So you want to see that the true confirmation from a high time reference value gap is going to be either the inverted fair value gap, the market as a shift, or most likely we're going to make an internal manipulation in the high time frame fair value gap, and then we're going to displace. We want to see immediate displacement in the macro. If macro is consolidating and is going higher, and we are in a 1 hour CB, expect most likely for macro to just displace through the CB. We displaced the high multiple times. Why would you go short for it? What time? What time stamping? Like when will you go short for it? Is an OB from Total Super SMT. I love to role play, bro. Change your name, man. So I'm just saying, bro. The order block is valid only from Turtle Soup and SMT. That's it. Like only that's it, man. Like nothing else. You smelly Indian, bro. Who the fuck is this? SD3NQ. Come on, man. So he's 23. Okay, so that's fine, bro. Ah, bro, what do you mean, bro? 20, bro, I'm 19. Uh, to be honest, I would say, bro, just wait for the macro to show you wait for the macro to show you where it wants to go. Don't try to predict. If macro gives you displacement, then enter. Ah, bro, do don't worry, bro. All good, all good. So next day, bro, that's it. We just waste not too much time on it. So let me see here. So the next is going to be the February 28th. February 28th. You still have a journal for trades or not? Yeah, El Capo, still journal for trades. Always, always. Thank you. Yes. It was the 28th of February, the last day, probably. So here. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm not like giving you, but like, but of like, my journal with my thoughts, man, is mine alone. That's it. No one else. So let me go to the next day. Bro, why is it skipping all the way? Let me just zoom out so don't cheat. This is, bro, what the fuck? You reach 100K month soon, man. Soon. Sorry, probably I trading is yeah. Cash. I'm trading tomorrow's news is PCE. I think like PCE something like that. Yeah. I was backtesting only these days PCE price index. But let me see what price does. Let me see. So as of now, let me see. Okay, just let me go, please. Okay. So we got it. We got it. We got it. Let me go on ES as well. Let me see what is price doing on the high time frame. So on the daily, I do see the price. So what do we see on the daily? Price made a PXL here. So we could be looking for the retracement into the PXL and then for price to immediately go lower because as of now, the dual liquidity looks like it's going to be this low. It's going to be this daily BC as as I do see the displacement on the daily. I want to see what is price telling me on the 1 hour timer. So the 1 hour time frame, we do see a high time frame turtle soup. Let me see on the left. Do we see do we take any low? So we did take this low as of now. So price could be looking for a retracement higher, then for price to immediately go lower. Let me see what is price going to do. Do you have seat, bro? What do you mean? Yeah, what's that CD3? What do you have seat? So as of now, smelly eating, bro. Holy, bro, this. Oh my days, bro. Bro, when you guys can make like 10, 20K a month, bro, then, bro, maybe I will talk to you, but you guys are just fuckers. Really, you guys just fuckers. Nah, I'm joking, I'm joking. So just let me go. So on the 1 hour time frame, I do see what? That we do have a turtle soup. So I do see a turtle soup at the lows. I do see that we do have a high time frame manipulation at the left. I want to see what is price going to tell me on the 15-minute timer. So as of now, the 15-minute timer looks really bullish because we do have a long week from the manipulation. As the dual liquidity could be these equals up here. But we want to see that the narrative is still bearish. the high time frame, like the daily narrative. And we do see the price has equal highs on IQ. No, rich love. Hey, hey, I do. Bro, I don't know the play, bro. Bro, like I really didn't like I never did think of making like 20K month, bro. I just made it, that's it. Really like, bro, you guys really don't want to ask yourself like when. You guys just gotta work for it really. It's not, bro, it's not even about like whenever you want it. It will come when you're ready for it. Like really, you have to demand for success because you have to work like if you don't work for it, bro, you're fucked. Like he's where he's man. So as of now, let me see what price is from 9:30 to 9:45. Yeah, to be honest, yeah, because we want to see that, bro. If you guys are not close with God, man, you guys are really just at that body, just walking. That's it. If you like don't believe in someone like stronger and higher than you, like above you. So what do we see from 9:30 to 9:45? So as 9:30 opens, what do we see? We do see the price displaces lower, sweeps this low and sweeps this high time from low. Do we see any SMT at all? We don't see any SMT whatsoever. But what I do see is the price from the 9:30 manipulation displays higher. We do see the price inverted this CB and this CB made these two BCs here. I want to see what this price telling me in the BC. Price retraces into this BC and displaces higher. As the 942 candle, what does it do? Conforms with the prices looking for higher prices. I want to see how its price will interact uh to this turtle so because this is still an internal manipulation. We do see this internal manipulation as well. Let me see the 5 minute time frame. So the 5 minute time frame price retraces into the wicks here. The 50%, no, we missed the 50%. So I want to see what this price going to tell me. We do see the five minute CB at the left as well. I want to see how price is going to react to the bearish period waves. Are we going to respect and go lower? Are we going to disrespect them and go higher? Bro, to be honest, the guys who will make like 10, 20K months, bro, I will invite them to Italy. If if So let me see what this price doing. So as of now, I do see the price made an SMT. So from 9:20 to 9:45, price displays lower, manipulated a high time frame high, and then we do see what? We do see displacement higher, and we made a bearish SMT and a bearish manipulation. We do see internal SMT and internal Terrasu. I want to see how price is going to react from this manipulation as of now. So let me see what is the next guy going to do. Yeah. Okay, so as macro opus, I want to see if price displaces through this BC, they are most likely going to look for lower prices. But let me see what this price is going to do. So we do see displacement below it. Well, let me see. Is this let me just pull volume imbalance. I want to see the displacement below this level here as well. Like this one. Because to be honest, this is like a mini peak exchange. So I want to see displacement below it, therefore price to go lower. So I do see that the 946 candle opens. I want to see from the rebalance into the vertical value. I want to see displacement happen for me to look for shorts. That's good. Nothing gap because I want to see displacement below this candlewick low for me to consider shorts as of now. So let me see. So 947 opens, no displacement yet. So this is a really good time the price could be looking for low prices. So I would be looking to enter here. Stop loss just only 40 points. Not bad, but something like this. I could be getting manipulated as price could be, like to be honest, looking for this volume imbalance and then reversing on me. Let me see. Holy, I'm fucked. I literally got fucked. So I should have waited for more displacement here. But let me see if we could get another entry. So we do see displacement higher, 948. 949 opens, we do see what? The price is still consolidating and it is accumulating in this range. So as of now, I should wait for more. Let me see a 5 minute time frame. You see a retracement. Oh, what? Oh, how did I get stopped out? Let me see. So we do see a price retrace higher. Inverted value gap here. That's damn, bro. CEO for B. To be honest, bro, there is no OB here. Like really, there's nothing. I think I should have just waited for like that 9:50 to be honest. That's fine. Can you put the time from when the candle closes on? Yo, how to do that? Settings, canvas. Yeah, but I don't know. Like to be honest, some people just canvas. Can we go to canvas? Where is it? Where is it? top paid vacation scales, lock price, scale placement. Hold on, hold on. Got it. So let me see what this price is going to do. So price is still just accumulating. We do see the disrespect of the BC here. I want to see what this price is going to do at 950. So 950 opens, we do see a retracement into the wicks here. Let me see what this price is going to do next. So we do see displacement from the wicks. This could be a time the price could be looking for, my bad. I did not notice this SMT here. So price made this SMT here. As of now, from this SMT, price could be looking to retrace lower. So we could be looking for the, my bad. Let me go a little bit lower because price is moving really fast. So we do see this order block. From this order block, I could be expecting a retracement into the volume imbalance and therefore price to go higher. Because to be honest, we already rebalanced into the BC. We look really bullish just because we do have a lot of liquidity to the upside. So I don't know. Should I take this short here and look for this volume imbalance, or should I look for longs? Let me look for both. I don't know. Let me look for both. So we do see the rebalance into the 50%. I would like to see the next candle just give me that displacement to the downside. Nothing yet. Beautiful, beautiful. Um, if I do see the displacement again, please, beautiful. Holy, that's beautiful. Missed the entry. Fuck. But to be honest, this would be the entry. And to be honest, the entry would be like something up here to tap the volume imbalance there. But let me see if I do enter on this late entry. If I just put my stop loss there, if I get a 1 to 1. So TP got hit there. Let me see if my top loss was crashed. So price retraces into the 50%. Let me see what this price going to do next. So we do see the retracement into the volume imbalance. So price is not displacing below it. I want to see that as of now, if this volume imbalance gets disrespected, we are bearish because price is most likely going to maybe manipulate this low and then reverse. But if we don't manipulate this low with the displaced through wave, we're most likely going to go lower. So let me see what this price is going to do. So we do see that volume imbalance is still getting respected. Do we see an SMT? No SMT whatsoever. So the next candle opens. As of now, this volume imbalance is valid if you do see displacement through the CB here. If I do see displacement through it, most likely price is going to do what? Displace lower. To be honest, Blizzard, I am noticing a one thing about PCE days that 950 always gives the move because even if you look at the previous day, the move was around 951, 952. So I'm gonna try to wait for 950 as of now. I'm going to try and wait for it because I want to see because price because bro this is too clean. Bro, this is really clean because as of now the 1 hour time frame we do see holy fuck bro the door is open. Just give me 1 second. KV, you gotta talk to yourself, man, really, because as I'm talking to myself, bro, really, I look like I'm maniac when I talk to myself, but bro, I have to. So let me see what this price is going to do. So we do see displacement. Yeah, bro, this would be an awesome type of trade. He enters here, stop loss blows here, bro. He just had like this whole joint liquidity. Holy, let me see if this works out as well. Yeah, bro, I will be out there. That's it, but that's fine. So that was not bad. So to be honest, I think I have to start waiting for a little bit like 948, 950. Let's see if we like can get maybe an entry like after 950 because the entry here was at 950 to like 952 and 954. This entry was both valid because what do we see? We do see SMT here. We do see the retracement into the 50% of the wicks here. We do see displacement away from it. We do see the order block. We do see the BC getting validated. We do have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do have the retracement into the 50%. We do see 5 confluence as well as the retracement into the beast into the inverter of a value gap there. This would be a nice trade to be fair because as we do see the displacement kind of happening, You could be looking for an entry here, anticipating for price to rebalance lower. But in this case, if you go for 30 points, that's still fine. This was a negative RR trade, but bro, that's still fine. Okay, so next day, man, next day. So next day is going to be the March 28, 2025. March 28, 2025. So let me see. March 28, 2025. Do we see any news at 10? So we do have news at 10. These are Friday as well. Bro, these news are low key. They are like red folders. So I would like to be in and out before 10 a.m. So as of now, this is Thursday. Thank God. Please, holy fuck, man. Yo, where's fucking Friday? 28. 28th of March. Come on, man. Like, bro, like, that's why, man. Like, most of my trades are minor because of the one target bonus I just get on to it. To be honest, cash, like, if your TP, it is at a logical level, just close it because you want to see that. It's not about getting deep because, bro, cash, this is just a number, really. Well, I'm telling you, people trade like this 200 points and the target 10 points. Bro, you want to see that. This is a different game for all of us. Cash, if negative RR works for you and you make pairs, bro, can someone say, can someone even say something to you, man? Is someone like, even if a high R trade, just really just say, bro, your trade are so shit. Bro, my payouts are the proof because I'm making money, I'm consistent, bro. I know that one to one really do work. You size up, you make like 5, 10K a day. That's it, man. Because I'm telling you, Cash, if negative RR works for you and you see consistency on them, just do the same thing ever, like over and over again. You really don't need to change anything at all. But there is no need to be honest. No need to, man. No need to. So, should we go to the next day? Yeah. So, let me see the daily time frame. So, we do see that the daily were really bearish. Really, really bearish. I want to see that as of now, price does have an SMT here. Maybe. Do you see? No, we don't have any SMT at this low. I want to see that as of now, price did take out this high time frame low. I want to see what is price going to do next. After the turtle soup, my bad, after the sweep of the high time frame low, I want to see what is price going to tell me. So on the 4 hour time frame, we do see the price really does not have anything lower. And we do see that we do still have this clean equal lows here. Because we want to see that when price takes out these like high time frame lows, most likely we will make another internal manipulation or my bad external manipulation, and then we will pop higher. So that's why like from here, price could most likely do what? Maybe give another retracement lower than to price to go higher again. Let me see the 5 minute time. So the 5 minute time frame we do see the turtle soup of it. So from this turtle soup, the dual liquidity could be this CB here. I want to see how price is going to try to this CB when we reach it. So this is just before macro. So 942 is going to open in a bit. I want to see what is price going to tell me. So we go here. So as 942 almost, we do see 943 displacing higher. Yo, this is the movie. Fuck this, man. Now, to be honest, you good. I love to replay. You're good, man. Like you can full port, but really it's just like a little bit of gambling. So I do see 944 opening. Let me see what this price going to do. So as soon as macro open, I do see that wait. So macro opens now. Let me see what this price doing. Price is displacing lower. We do see the rebalancing to the small BC. Let me see what this price going to do from here. Let me wait for more structure in the macro. So 946 opens. We do see the displacement through the BC. So the next dual liquidity could be this low to as of now. So let me see what this price going to tell me from this low. So we do take out that low. Let me see what this price telling me. So we do have the market start to shift here. We could be looking for the disrespect of this BC then for price to go lower again. So nothing yet, nothing yet. We do see the rebalance higher. 948 opens. We do see the rebalance into the CB here. I would like to see what is price going to tell me as of now. So no displacement. So I want to see maybe like really clean this. Like, I want to see displacement happen through this low and for the candle to take out this candle low. So my edge would look like something like this to be honest. Because as of now, like something like this for 1 to 1 maybe targeting this next joint create be valid because price as of now is just doing an internal manipulation. I would like to see displacement for me to validate my idea of being shorts. So we do see internal turtle, so we do see internal SMT as well. Let me see what is price going to do at 950. So let me see the 5 minute timer. So the 5 minute timer price retraces. Bro, we look really bearish to be honest, bro. So let me see what is price going to do at 950. So 950 is trying to displace lower. So 951 is still respecting the turtle, so we're respecting the SMT there. Yeah, we are respecting the SMT here. So as of now, price could be looking for higher prices. So 952 opens. To be honest, as of now, the entry could be somewhere around here for price to look for these higher prices. Something like this, but really, bro, I want to see that. Bro, I'm really not convinced on it because this is a late entry. Let me see if I do get a rebalance. Holy fuck, bro. Are they good? I want to bro wait a little bit. Fucking hell, bro. This day is so choppy. Like even for me, man, this day is really fucking choppy. I want to see that as of now, what the price do is we did like this is not really a swing high, but these still are mini manipulation, and we do see the respect of the inverted fair value gap here. We do see the respect of the CB. I would like to see displacement through this low with speed and efficiency for me to consider what the fuck? For me to consider shorts. You see, nothing yet. So as of now, bro, just let me take away this. As of now, price is respecting this inverted fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame, the BC here. Let me see what this price will do. Bro, why the fuck are we not moving? So the 5 minute kind of displays higher. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, if I don't get an entry like in the next 1 2 minutes, bro, I'm going to wait for news open. Holy fuck, that was an entry. So an entry like here, to be fair, to target this swing low would be fair, not gonna lie. Let's see if you do get manipulated. Because if you do get manipulated, what its price is going to do most likely, because it's going to do this. Price is going to go higher, manipulate, then retrace lower, do this. Holy, keep it going. Gang, come on, bro. So our edge was right. So just let me recap my edge. My bad, guys. I'm not talking as much because, bro, this day is hard, bro. It's not easy. Like, bro, it's even harder for me to manage. I really cannot read price that well in this day. Because as of now, my edge was based off of what? I do see the displacement for what? Price rebalances into the vertical value, and we do see the retracement into the wicks here, into this, like, let's say it's not really like it is a rejection block to be honest, but let's see the price rebalance into the wicks into the vertical value gap. From the displacement, what do we see? The price displays through what? Wait, just let me mark. Like, let me just remove everything here. Price displays through what? Price displays through this BC close below it. We do see the price made market as a shift. As of now, I'm entering here, and you want to see that your stop loss has to be higher because price could really well do this. This candle could wick higher, then go lower. But in this case, what we did was we entered here. We wait, come back. So we got our 23-point stop loss, and we talk about one. TP got hit. It was something like this. Bro, can you go please lower again? Bro, this is like to be honest, Julian, bro, my man, some P, this is low hanging fruit because I'm literally trying to see like to be honest, some P on live markets, I would do this. If price is not displacing below this low, I'm most likely going to close like for this, like for a 0.4 RR. It's still a shitty trade, but like shitty RR trade, but it's still valid because as of now, my my narrative was correct because from the respect of the CB, what was price telling me? We were just accumulating. We do have internal manipulation. We do see displacement from the inverted fair value gap. But to be honest, some P, this was a little bit risky. Like to be honest, it was a little bit risky. I was just trying the one to one to see if this works out. I want to see that. Just let me go on the 10-second time frame. Some P, when you do live trade, we are most likely going to enter when the candle is displacing lower. So an entry here, or even like when price is really, because when you do see displacement, you do see the price is really strong, you could be anticipating for price to disrespect the BC. And you want to see that this BC is most likely going to get respect, because from this BC, what the price do? From this BC, price retrace higher, offered a retracement into this CB here. You see this CB here, Sampi. So from this BC, price did what? Price retraced into the vertical fair value gap, made internal manipulation, retraced into the CB, and then displaced lower. So in this case, this BC was used to generate liquidity for the price to go lower again. What did you work? Yeah, what do you mean, Julian? To be honest, yeah, can. You want to see that when the displacement candle is happy with speed and efficiency, you can enter, but it has to align with narrative always, like narrative and draw liquidity. Because as of now, the draw liquidity was this low if price displaced below the BC. Bro, it was me, bro. It was me, bro. Like, come on, guy. My bad, Jacob. It's like European time. Bro, this is not holy, bro. I'm not even treating the AM macro. Brother. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Bro, we are still banging the 1050 macro though. Holy, bro, go on, man. Yo, should we do the whole thing again? Holy, man, fuck. Yeah, but like, that's what was really hard. Nah, bro, it's not. I, bro, I don't know why, but I thought I was reading the like 50 macro. What the fuck? Come on, again, bro, that's a scam. Fuck these, bro. Fuck these. Do you want me to do the 950 map or should we not do it? Just let me do this. Yeah, let me forgot about it. Let me go on here. Yeah, don't worry about going to bro. How the fuck, bro? Thank you, Jacob, man. You saved my life, bro. So I'm between the 1050 macro all the time, or all this time. I don't know. Thank you, brother. So 950. So this market open. I want to see what is price telling me on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, what I do see is the price only. So price displays below this new week opening up. So as of now, I do not see the respect of this BC as well. In these cases, look for the nearest low you see. This low is the nearest, and this hourly low as well. So as of now, I want to see what is price going to tell me about at market open, because as of now, price retrace into the CB here. Price made an SMT on one of the so we have no SMT. So I want to see what is price going to tell me. Oh wait, this one is for first let me move. 934, 939, 944. So okay. So as of now, okay, what is price telling me? So we do see that from wait, I'm going to 50 time frame. So we do see our turtle soup at the lows. I want to see that as of now, what is narrative? Narrative is lower because we do see displays, we do see the respect of the CB. We do see that price is really not respecting any kind of displacement. Like price is not displacing away from any bullish period rate. Because if you go on the 5 minute time frame, what is price telling me? Holy fuck, bro. My bad. So my bad. So I want to see, okay, what is price telling me on the 5 minute time frame? So on the 5 minute time frame, we do see wait, is it 5 minutes? Yeah. So on the 5 minute time frame, we do see an SMT with this high. So this was the 90 minute cycle high. So from 8 to 9:30. So this was the 90 minute cycle high. So price made an SMT with the 90 minute cycle high. We do see displacement away from it. So as of now, from 9:30 to 9:45, what does price do? We do see the rebalance into the CB. I want to see what is price telling me. Wait, I'm going on the time frame. So, okay. So from here, what is price telling me? I do see the price displays lower at 9:30. Price displays lower, turtles of this high time frame low, and we trace into the 5-minute CB. As of now, I want to see if this 1-minute CB gets respected, and we do see displacement lower. We are most likely going to hunt for this low here. I want to see that even on the daily. Let me see the daily. So on the daily, we have put the high of the week on Wednesday. When we do have the high of the week on Tuesday or Wednesday, we do see displacement. Expect really, really good price action the following days. As of now, Wednesday displays lower, made the high of the week. We can expect Thursday and Friday to be a displacement candle. So let me go the 50-minute time frame. Let me see what this price telling me. So on the 1-minute time frame, so I do see that just before macro, price retraced into the 1-minute CB, and we do see displacement lower. Let me see what this price going to do at 9:48. So let me wait for 9:48 because these are PCE day, bro. Looks like shit to be honest. So macro opens, we do see displacement lower. I do see the price retrace into the BC here. So as of now, if price does not that did not retrace into it, so we missed the BC. We do see an internal money. So now price, so 9:46 we trace into the BC. If you do see displacement below it, then most likely we're going to miss the entry and price is going to go lower. But as of now, I don't know if this is an SMT because I was seeing an SMT with this high. To be honest, I would consider this an SMT, but really just don't take my advice like 100% because this for me an SMT and this. So we do see an SMT here. We do see the order block here. I want to see as of now from this order block what is price going to tell me. Yeah, where are the colors? Oh, here they are. Yo, gang, what the fuck? Okay, so let me see what this price going to do in this order block. Right, it is what it is. So 9:46 opens, we do see the retracement into the BC. I want to see what is price going to do. So 9:47 is respecting the BC. We do see displacement higher. Price is respecting the 50% of the order block. So I want to see that we have already made the manipulation before macro. So as of now, if price is gonna go lower, if price is truly bearish, you're most likely going to see the entry around 9:48, 9:50, or even before. So 9:48 retraces into the order block. We do see the respect of the BC here. I don't see any reason to enter shorts as of now. Nothing yet, nothing yet. So let me see what is price going to do. So 9:49 opens, as 9:50 opens, what is price doing? So we do see a displacement high, we do see a manipulation. So we do see an internal manipulation, an internal SMT, internal turtle soup in the 1-minute order block. As of now, I could be I want to see, no, it could be. I want to see what is price going to tell me. So as of now, if price displaces low from this SMT, the dual liquidity is going to be this internal low and maybe this order block here because this is still an order block because we want to see that price turtles of that low and this could be a target as well. You could target the order block or the 50% of it. But let me see. So as the SMT is full, the SMT is still holding. You want to see the as of now. We got the body candle closure. We want to see if the next candle displaces higher, then price is bullish. But if the next candle immediately displaces low like this, we can expect price to be bearish. So I want to see as of now how price is going to react to this BC here. Oh, let me go define, bro. These candles are so fast. So as of now, I want to see if the candle goes below this candle wick low. So we do have the change in the set of delivery. Bro, that's why if someone says don't use it, don't use it. Is what do you think that you can, to be honest, pay attention to what is like uh pay really, really good attention to what is price telling you right now. So at 9:51, what is price telling you? Yeah, what's your name? Well, I'm going to call you Ken. So Ken, what is price telling you? Is price respecting the bearish SMT or is price respecting the bullish SMT? You just want to see what is price doing from 9:30 to 9:45. Once you understand that we do have manipulation both sides, look to see what the price do from the last manipulation. So from the last manipulation, price formed an order block here. So this was the order block. Price is respecting the 50% of it. From the respect of the 50% of it, what is price doing? Price made an internal SMT. And I want to see this candle. If this candle it respects the BC, we're most likely going to see displacement higher. If you do see displacement through it, then we're going to be bearish. I would like to see displacement below this candle wick low for me to validate my short idea. Okay, not bad, not bad. Holy, this could be an entry itself, but let me see if maybe I can get maybe another pushing downside, like another one. Come on, beautiful. Okay, that's perfect. So as of now, the entry is going to be there. 25 points is going to be there because what do we see as of now? From the manipulation higher, what do we see? We do see displacement happening. This candle did not close, but do you see in 30 seconds how the candle engulfed the bullish candle? And we did disrespect the BC as well. As of now, price is bearish. And yo, Julia, bro, I'm going to rape you. So let me try to short here. Let me see if you can get maybe the order block top 10. Holy, holy. I would like to trade as soon as price takes the swing low up there, like below here. I would like to trade my stop loss nearly to break even because I don't want to see price just like cover this whole displacement candle again. Because Salman did say this in a group call. If the narrative is truly bearish, price should not go above this displacement candle. This displacement candle should hold until the Joe liquidity is met. So that is what I'm expecting. So okay, so TP go ahead. Not bad. So EM macro was pretty clean, and again the entry was after the 50. So to be honest, tomorrow pay attention to what is price going to tell you around 950. So is it permissible to target such a low and go be EH? To be honest, yeah, don't, bro. Like, don't you do have experience with the model. So if you want to go for higher pools, man, you can. Like, it is permissible. It just high, like it's just more risk on you, but it is still valuable because you could do something like this, one to two. I see, holy chop. But yeah, like know that if you're targeting more, you have to go through the retracement and then the displacement again. But let me see. So we do see that we do have news in this, I think, 28. We do have news at 10. So I don't know if price is going to, bro, come on, gang, hit that. So yeah, to be honest, bro, though you could to be honest, bro. So should we use here as a delivery to permit displacement entries? To be honest, Jacob, just use displacement. Really, just use displacement. Tahir, bro, like, come on, guy. Like, when I try to backtest as of now, I'm not trying to get the biggest like win rate. I just try to get like as good as I can to read price. I just want to read price like efficiently. So tomorrow, when I do live trade, I know that on backtesting, I know how to read price. Let me focus on my emotions and let me try to do my best reading price and reacting on it. Because you want to see that our job as a trader is to come on the charts, analyze and study what is price telling me, and then you have to react on it when the outcome is decided, either your take profit gets hit or your stop loss, either of the two, you step away because you journal when you did wrong, when you did right. Because even when you win, there is still something like that you could be better at. It could be your entry, it could be your TP placement, it could be your emotions. There is always something you can really just focus on. But to be honest here, don't focus on the win rate, just focus on understanding price. Because if you do understand price every day in the macro, your win rate will automatically be around 80%, maybe. I don't know. Do you think that this is the highest probable? What do you think is the highest probable time to enter the AM macro? To be honest, Blizzard, the highest probable time in the AM macro is going to be 9:47 to 9:55 because I'm telling you, if I trade after 9:55, most likely I miss the optimal entry. I know that because if you look every day, there will always be the optimal entry before 9:55. Even today, there were shorts at from 9:45 to 9:48. There was an opportunity to go shorts anywhere. That was the, let's say, the optimal entry for shorts. You did short and you did have a 1-to-1. So backtesting, yeah, to be honest, Cash, yeah. Try to backtest only to learn how price moves what we do from 9:30 to 9:45 and understand price on in your own way. To be honest, I love to replay. I target 1 to 1 every day. Like really, it does not matter. Like 1 to 1 in and out, bro. I really don't like to like hold like for. I really don't want to like hold trades for like more. Just 1 to 1 in 1 2 years, bro. I'm in and out. So Blizzard. To be honest, Blizzard, really, just try to understand. Blizzard, I would say, when you try to understand, so from 9:30 to 9:40, in these 10 minutes, understand understand what his price is telling you and write it down on a piece of paper. Do it and see, okay, at the end of the macro, what was your narrative and was it right, yes or no? And if it was right, that's good. If it was not right, look where you missed because if your narrative is not right, it's your fault. Speaking of today, where's the trade recap? You just call me nigger. Holy cow, man. Blizzard, bro. Holy cow, bro. You're getting raped. How to know it is a trading day? Man, I think you're new G. So I would say, bro, man, just go through the lectures, then just slowly look at what is what is someone telling you. Tristan, bro, I always win, man. Thanks to God, but bro, I always win. Because, bro, I'm not doing any stupid shit, bro. I'm just looking like understanding price. That's it. Oh, man, you should look at news how to like the lecture because the probability of the day depends on the day itself and on the news. Yeah, don't worry, John. I will do that. So I'm going to do the last 2 days for the news. I'll think I love to replay. I think it was 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago on a Friday, bro. Did hit my TP, but it did. I don't know, bro. My position did not close, bro. That was a scam. That was a scam. You have cash. If you do have any emotional problems, you want to identify what are they. Is it risking like $400 to go lower? Risk 150, risk 100. You want to be comfortable with the amount you're risking because you want to see that if your account balance is around like 51,000, like 1K in profits, you risk 200, you have to think that when you trade, you're going to lose that money. Really. Like, don't think that I'm going to lose immediately, but think that, okay, I'm going to risk 200, whatever happens, I'm going to step away. Do you think there's a deeper threat to why price moves so quick in the macro? To be honest, it's most likely based on time. I really don't know, man. I really don't know. Because KV really benefit us to know like what is truly macro. No, man. We just know that price runs in the macro, we just rock to it. That's it. You make money, I make money, that's it. Really, just don't try to really just go too deep into it. Keep it easy for them. So April the third, 33rd, no, 30 of April. Can you show me your trade? Yeah, don't worry, but a couple. I will do the recap. I got you, beautiful. 50. Carty will. So, to be honest, GG, bro, I used to be the same as you. I'm telling you guys are not understanding the lectures enough. Bro, I'm telling you, man, because you want to see that the only thing I have on my charts is not like if prices join quit or something like that. No, I want to enter after the 1 minute displacement candle. Like I enter after the 1 minute displacement candle from manipulation or retracement. That's it. And I just remind myself to not be greedy and to target 25 to 30 points. But that is it. Because GG, if you are confused about the model, you most likely bro, I have been there. You're most likely emotional. You're scared to lose maybe like those two. Bro, it's because I'm telling you, man, this game is really meant to like it will fuck up your mentality. That's why you gotta have a healthy mind every day. You gotta have a fresh mind and gotta know that okay, today I know how to trade because I'm telling you, Gigi, you have to do your best on watching the lectures. You have to understand every sentence that someone does say. You have to take notes. You have to read your notes. You have to journal. You have to read your journal. You have to understand your mistakes. And you want to see them, bro. At the end of the day, bro, how can I say that? Uh, you really do not need a checklist apart from the 1 minute displacement candle from the manipulation or retracement into a P array in the macro. That's it. So this should not explain creative. To be honest, Gigi, you should only get the sentence. So what should I how can I say that? So Gigi, I would say wait for the 1 minute displacement candle aligning with the Joe liquidity and narrative. It's going to be way easy for you, really. Wait for that 1 minute displacement candle in the macro aligning with narrative and Joe liquidity. To be honest, Ahmed, like there is no like really specific POI. It really just, bro, like market is always different. Like there is not like anything specific that will work or not. But let me go to the 30th of April. 30th of April. Oh, who the fuck opened the door again? So, after passing a further, I've been consistently and missed something in Jordan. To be honest, Jacob, bro, I think you're just emotional, to be honest. Only entering, bro, like, Jacob, I would say, bro, take a break. Because when I was first on the Express, bro, I was so emotional. Because I'm telling you, I opened the card. Come on, beautiful. So you want to see that, bro? I was that, bro. I had no money, bro. I was back in Dot for like $50 like back in the day, but I still didn't take them. But you want to see that, bro? You guys gotta see that I am emotional. Why? If you are emotional about the risk, or maybe you're just overcomplicated things, take a step back, take it slow. Because I'm telling you, man, the biggest mistake I did was not taking it slow. Take it slow, really. Just think about, okay, let me take it slow for a week. If your ego is too big, you will literally just blow your phone and you will stay in Jordan for the rest of the month. But if you take it slow, you paper trade those 2, 3 days and you focus on understanding price, not getting the best trades. Focus on understanding price and reacting on it perfectly. Because you want to see that, man, money does not matter. Really, it does not matter at all. Because you want to see that once you get to 3, 4 accounts, a $200 day will be like 800. We want to see that money does not matter at all because, bro, you can just multiply money, but you want to focus on the skill that will make you money. You want to focus on your mentality. You want to focus on your emotional control. You want to focus on your because you want to see that for this game you want to have a steal of mind, bro. Julia, bro. Back in the day, bro, even like $20 for me like was my whole net worth, like net worth. So what's the short from 932 valid? To be honest, Fatih, that was valid, but bro, it's way too early in the macro. It's really early. Do you know that if a bats leave a cave, they always turn left? I don't know, man. Yeah, to be honest, Gigi, I would say, bro, go watch the narrative part one lecture and the draw liquidity part one lecture. Look at what someone says about draw liquidity, but you want to see that. You want to take trades aligned with the draw liquidity and narrative. Understand price and trade with price. Don't trade against the trend of the price. So it's normal to buy the Red Bull that you don't like for 50 cents less. I don't know, but if you want to. So how do I prove myself copy trade? To be honest, J-Dub, like what's your sizing, J-Dub? If I did see that correct. What is the going for now? So this is going to be Tuesday. So that was the 30th of April. 5 minutes. Damn. I know a couple. I'm just trying to go to 9 a.m. Okay, I got this. Okay. Oh, eight. J-Dub, go to four. Really. go to 4 5. I'm telling you, man, if you make like 200 in a day, bro, you make you 1K. And do that for 3 days, bro, you made 3K in a week. Bro, nowhere, bro, you want to see that? You made 3K in a week by using one of the lowest size ever. Like, what happens if you humble yourself, go to 5 micros, 4 micros, you get the consistency in. You want to be consistent, really, man, because you want to see. Oh, you're right, beautiful, bro. I was going to say the fact. Holy, man, holy. To be honest, I meant not like we trade around 5 to 8 micros, but the people who do have money for the EVAs, they go for 1 minute. Bro, so is a protocol only trade? Bro, nah, man. GG, if I lose in the AM, I'm out. I really don't care. I really don't even look at PM, to be honest. I really don't. Bro, AM is all you need. You know, if someone turtle, holy some people. How do you know? Wait. I'm going to answer all your questions later. Just let me trade this day, man. Just let me do this day first. So let me see what this price is doing. So let me see. So as of now, I do see the price is displacing lower a lot. Wait, is it yes? Thank you, it is. So as of now, I do see the price is displacing lower a lot. I could be anticipating for price to rebalance into the 1 hour BC just because this is the nearest to liquidity. As price displays below this low, I could be expecting as of now the rebalance into this BC, if not into this high time frame BC. Let me see what this price telling me. So if you go on the 50-minute time frame, I do see what did price do on the 50-minute time frame. As price well, come on, man. Oh, we did. So price rebalanced into the 50-minute CB there. So as we do see that only the top into it, that's still enough. Because we want to see that if price we twist into a CB and we just tap into it and we do see displacement lower, that's a good sign that price is respecting that PD rate. So as of now, let me go to the time on ES as well. Let me see what price did from 9:30 to 9:45. So as I do see that just before 9:30 open, what did price do? At 9:29, price made an internal turtle soup. We balanced into the 50-minute CB here. So this was a 50-minute CB, and price immediately displays lower. As 9:30 displays lower, we do see the rebalance into the CB made at 9:30. So the CB was this one, like here. But in this case, price retraced into the vertical value gap here. So from the inverted fair value gap, I do see displacement lower. So 935.45 price displaces lower. We choice into the inverted fair value gap. From the inverted fair value gap, we make PXL. You see displacement lower, making PXL as of now. So this was PXL price. So always in the 50-minute window, price retraces into the PXL and displaces lower immediately. So as of now, price displays lower a lot. Price has to make a rebalance higher if we want to go lower again. Maybe 75-minute time frame. Not just marking out the lows that price could be looking to take. So to be honest, you can mark out these low time frame lows just to see how price is reacting to them. Not for SMT, just to see how is price reacting to those lows. So this Wednesday, I'm going to do the questions later. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to go through everyone. So this is 10 a.m. Yo, 10 a.m. What the fuck? Oh, we got JDP and oh, holy. So we got PCE at 10 a.m. What the fuck? Bro, just let me see if I can take a trade before. So as of now, I do see that the dual liquidity is still lower here to this 1 hour BC. Let me see what this price is going to do on the 1 minute time frame. So as of now, macro opens, we do see immediate displacement lower. I want to see how is price going to react to this inversion of a value gap. Is price going to respect it and go retrace higher, or is price going to disrespect it and go lower? As of now, the dual liquidity could be this 5 minute CB there. We have no SMT whatsoever. Oh wait. We do see this SMT at the highs, internal SMT. Let me see what this price going to do. So macro opus, we do see the 946 opus as well. Oh, come on, man, do something. So price is really just retracing lower into the BC here. Price is respecting the BC, and we do see displacement away from it. So as of now, I want to see what is price going to do. So 947 opens, we do see displacement higher. I'll just see what is price going to do as of now. So 947 opens, we do see the displacement above this internal high. So price is looking to the retracement into the 5-minute CB. Let me see what this price is telling me. So 948 retraces into the 5-minute CB. We do see the retracement into this 1-minute CB as well here. So let me see. I want to see how is price going to react to from the CB. If price displaces through the CB with speed and efficiency and through this PXL here or the high time frame, we are most likely going to look for higher prices. If you do respect the CB, we're going to see a reversal down. So 949 retraces into the CB. As of now, I want to see how price is going to react to this BC. Because if price disrespects this BC, the next dual liquidity is going to be this internal low, like this small internal low or this low here. Because as of now, what did price do? On the 5-minute time frame, price retraced into the 5-minute CB, nearly tap into the PXL, but we did not do that. So as of now, as we do tap into the 5-minute CB, and we do see the disrespect of the 1 minute BC. This is telling me that price is going to go lower because you want to see that treat high time frame fair value gas as manipulation. Just think that there is an SMT here. So from the SMT, I want to see what is price going to tell me in the BC. Really just think like that. It is still a 5-minute CB, but just think like it is a manipulation. So let me see at 950 what is price going to do. So 950, we do see a wick from the BC. So we are displacing through the BC. To be honest, I would be in this trade as of now. I want to see maybe like how this candle will close. How far could I miss the entry, bro? Go again, go higher, beautiful, bro. Fuck this, bro. I'm in this trade, bro, because price is just weakened a lot. So just let me tell you. So 951 candle close below. I should have entered anywhere around here. Even here is valid. I do see that price the what? As price retrace into the volume imbalance, I want to see into the inverted fair value gap. I want to see the respect of this PD rate. This PD rate is key. This CB and this inverted fair value gap. And I want to put my stop loss above there. It is a little bit high. So maybe something like here. Let's see if this is correct. 1 to 1 is going to be there. But in this case, if you do see displacement and if you don't see any SMT here, price could be looking for low prices. So as of now, I do want to notice that we do have this SMT, but I want to see that what is the high time frame telling you? Just let me show you as of now. If from the 5-minute CB rebalance price displaced through the BC, you want to see that the dual liquidity of the disrespect, so the dual liquidity of the retracement of this inverted fair value gap is going to be this low because we either make SMT at this low and price displaces higher, or we don't make any SMT and price takes this low. Because as of now, from this 5-minute CB, think where is price gonna go. Well, wait. From the 5-minute CB, where is price most likely gonna go to? So I'm anticipating from the 1-minute CB retrace with 5-minute CB, from the disrespect of the 1-minute inverted fair value gap, I am anticipating for price to go lower. So let me see if I can get an entry here, somewhere just above that, something like this, just above this candle that this place. And let me see if I can get 1 to 1, something like that. So we want to know that we do have PCE at 10 a.m. I want to be in and out before 10 a.m. So I did enter 953. Let me see what this price is going to do. So 953, oh, we do see displacement lower. Let me see what is this going to do. So as of now, holy, we do see SMT. We don't see any SMT. I do see that this SMT is still holding. I want to see this SMT use as what? Use as liquidity. Just let me tell you why. Let me see what is this kind of going to do. Okay, so it's beautiful because as of now, what are people doing here? So let me just mark out my stop loss, my TP. So I want to see, okay, I want to tell you the mind of like the like I think this is going to be most of you. As some teddy lows, I want to enter here. But what is price showing you here? Because this SMT does not align with the high time frame narrative. This SMT does not align with how the 5 minute time frame is moving. The 5 minute time frame is going lower. So as of now, I want to look for shorts only. So people look here, like they enter here, they look for the 30 points, they look for the displacement higher, yeah, to be honest, yeah, what was it? What was the question? Yeah, some people, that's why this SMT is not valid at all. But people, we think that this SMT is valid just because this is an SMT. This SMT is not aligning with the narrative or the true liquidity. But as of now, I would like to see this inverted fair value gap hold and to displace through the stop loss like they have here. That's why this one SMT I just used to generate liquidity. So displacement lower. So our TP got hit. These people got fucked. So as of now, what is price telling me? The price was truly bearish. So my entry was here, my stop loss was there, and I got 33. But in this case, even the draw liquidity is valid, but that's it in and out. So we're the only price SMTB at 940. Yeah, to be honest, 943 don't you mean this low, right? Yeah, so yeah, because we want to see uh a high and a low is more high. Like to be honest, just let me clean my chart. This high is more high probable to get taken. Like this SMT is most likely going to work out. Let's see, we do make an SMT here. So let me draw this. Price makes an SMT here. This SMT is most likely going to work with this high. Like if the narrative is still bearish, macro opens here, this SMT is going to work out because from this low, from this high, what the price do? Price displaced a lot. The more displacement we have from high or low, the more liquidity we have. So as of now, just let me tell you, these equal highs are really important because from this high, what do we see? We do see 150, 170 point move down. In this case, above this high, there is a lot of liquidity. The more displacement there is, the more liquidity there is. Let me go just above two questions. But like, do you understand though? Like, that's why it was. Oh, okay, okay. That's good. I'm happy to hear this. Let me go up to the questions. So there was Ken. So how do you know when certain drone? So let me do this. You guys can see my screen for. Let me just share my screen for 1 second. We still have one more day, so I'm going to do that. So we go Ken. So how do you know when starting to repeat will be going well when you trade? Because I've seen where some movement ends, but I have to repeat it, but there is another before it. So as of now, Ken, you want to see, okay, from you want to see how price is behaving at the current raw liquidity. Just let me show you an example. Oh fuck, I have to share my screen. Wait, just let me share my whole screen. So screen two. So just let me tell you, okay, let me just show you an example. Here. So can let's say that we do have like two joule quantities here, okay? And we do see the price rebalance into this BC, and we do see what displacement happening from it. So we do see the price retrace lower. We did inverse DCB here. So price is telling me that we could be looking for higher prices. We do see retracement, we do see displacement. As of now, you do know that this draw liquidity is going to get taken if maybe you see a retracement before this high get taken. You want to see speed and efficiency. You want to see displacement because as of now, if you do see this happen, the body can like the candle closes here, and the next candle does this immediately. This places lower. We do see the market starts to shift happening. As of now, you want to see what is price doing from this dual liquidity. From this high, price is reversing. Let me get out. I entered here. I said like you entered here, okay. Your stop loss was oh fuck. Your stop loss was something like, yo, where the fuck is my stop loss here? Your stop loss, your stop loss was like something below the market fair value gap. You do see that these were your target, okay? So in this case, these were your target. So as of now, you want to get mad, but let's say you got greedy. You want to have the highest liquidity. That's why can you don't know if these like if price is going to reverse from this Joe liquidity or this Joe liquidity. That's why if you want to hold for this high, you have to be prepared for price to do what? Wait, blah, blah, blah. So for price to come here, maybe make an SMT here, and for price to do what? Price displays lower. Bro, this is what is going to happen. Like that's why you have to be ready to see this because you want to see how price behaves. If price displaces through the draw liquidity, through the first draw liquidity, expect this one to get bad. If you do see a weak, how can I say that? So if you don't see displacement above this high, but you do see displacement, you do see SMT turtle so to the downside, expect a reversal. So let me see here. So we got Jacob. Should remember to use five expert Tuesday, Tuesday. Yeah, Jacob, understand on focusing on the basic skills of a trader. It should be understanding price, reacting on it perfectly, and having emotional control. Bro, you have to. Because as of now, bro, most of you guys know how to trade. You guys are just emotional, really. Because as of now, even if my risk is really high, I got used to it because slowly, bro, I'm telling you, Jacob, what you're going through is just the process. Don't worry, G. You will get through it, but you just gotta push because if you do like have that weak mentality, fuck, bro. Like I'm so emotional on the trades. I just want to have no risk. That is not how it is done. You have to accept whatever the outcome is. You have to be disciplined enough to enter a trade, know why you entered, you did understand what was priced to before. You entered on the trade. You were calm. You were breathing properly. You did accept the outcome. If price hit your stop loss, you step away from the trade, like from the charts. That's the best skill you can have as a trader. If you can step away after a loss, that's when you know that you're going to be profitable really soon. Because once you get the consistency in, you do know that one, two losses a month they're going to happen if you don't overtrade on the 1-2 loss like or 1-2 losing days, bro, you're good. Like that's why focus on the base hits, focus on 4 or 5 micros. Even you, what's it like J Dub, like the guy with 5 XFA, bro, go to 5 micros, bro. You're making like a monthly salary in one day. You want to think of that. Like if you catch like with 5 point, like with 5 micros, you catch like 30 points. 300 times 5 is 1.5K. You made most likely a monthly salary in one day, bro. You want to see that. Be humble enough to get base hits, go low risk for this whole month, even for the next one. Get the consistency in, then the size out. Very good Blizzard. So I keep killing myself. To be honest, Joseph, bro, you're just like I would say, bro, you whipped a really like you did whip like some good payers, bro. I'm telling you, man. You, I feel, bro, you're lazy. Like, to, like, I don't want to be rude, like, to you. I feel, bro, you're just lazy as fuck. Because when you make like a 2.5K payout, how the fuck do you not make more payers from that? Because I think you got egotistical there. I think so. Because you just got 2.5K payout, you got egotistical. You're thinking that every trade you enter is going to hit your take profit. You want to know that bro, like if you are egotistical, if you don't feel like if you feel like the work you've done is enough in this game, you're going to get fucked. Because as of now, to be honest, I really don't work as hard as I did before. But you know how I am backtesting as of now? I was backtesting like this every day. And that's why backtesting helped me a lot to understand price, not about emotions. So as of now, Joseph, have a rule. AM only, no matter what. Like if power speaks, you can trade PM. But AM only, that's it. No matter what you like no matter if you're like if you can't trade AM, you're still going to trade it. AM only. Trade it on your phone, really just paper trade it. But fuck PM macro. What's tell you man, PM macro is so shit. Like look at today's AM macro and look at today's PM macro. Like you see the difference, but it was so shit. So let me see. Yeah, there is it's like 150 a month. Oh, you can about that origin. So just you just forward trade your worst quit. Holy beautiful. Okay, the card. So would it be better to wait for this displacement from the rebalance of the SMT? So would it be better to wait for a displacement? Go, sorry, do you mean? Well, let me go there. Do you mean this? Wait, where is it? You mean this retracement? So from the SMT, we displace higher, we rebalance uh into the thingy. Oh bad fuck. Into the inverted fair value gap, then we displace lower. Is that what you mean? Like to enter around here? Let me scroll down. Yes. So you want to see the ghoster? To be honest, bro, this is my own experience. When price makes this fake uh SMTs, what is going to happen is this candle is going to do this. We're going to close out like somewhere around here because this is just to generate liquidity because people like pattern traders enter here, they figure they're right every time. But even in this Discord, we still have some fuckers who do enter here. They target like way more than they should be. It is against the narrative true liquidity they stop out. We want to see that price from here could do whatever the fuck it was. But I entered here. Why? Because I'm missing entry on backtesting. But to be honest, I will be most likely in anywhere in this week. I will be maybe like somewhere around here. I will be in. If my stop loss above this candle week high, like above this candle week body, but the displacement candle is here. So I could allow for price to retrace into the volume imbalance in this case here, and then for price to then displace lower. So as of now, I'm allowing price to retrace even higher. I did accept my risk, but even here, bro, it is still fine because you want to see that if your stop loss is above there, you can take it here. Like to run here is a little bit too late, but like taking around here, bro, is still fine. So just let me see. Let me see the questions. Okay, actually, current. This was having trouble with. Me, please. We rather like Trigo or Ligo. Yo, what the fuck, bro? To be honest, we're both. Like, let both grow. I'm not going to do this tomorrow because, bro, that's it, one a day. Like, once every 2 days. Bro, like, bro, someone is a fucking gatekeeper. Like, I'm just telling you that. Like, to be honest, I do know most of the stuff that some of these say, but because, bro, like, the group course before was so good to us, but bro, I just studied. That's it. I really, bro, I just studied my whole like, bro, these 4 or 5 months, bro. I would just study like a dickhead. Nah, but it's not. I'm just helping you guys out. So catching the 951 trade entered to the BC. This retracement correct. For example, this has been classic like order. Yeah, to us, but that's correct because when so this would be a valid entry. When you do see that the candle is about to close, you can enter when the candle is like something like that. You can enter there anticipating that price is going to close below the BC. If it does, that's good. But if the candle closes in the BC, you want to be aware you did anticipate something that did not happen. Accept the risk or get out and get a better entry. It is either of the two. You accept the risk or you either get out and get a better entry. Because in this case, if this candle closes inside of the BC, it got manipulated. But in this case, the idea was correct. We are in price reverse into the inverted fair value gap. This price is lower. That's it. In and out. So can we go over? Yeah, don't worry, they go where we go. What is it we bro, I think like 97, 96, I think. Something like that. So I'm good at stepping away. I'm not a much really I feel like I have bro Jacob, do you see how I am backtest like this? You make 10K 10K a month, bro. I'm making this in a day. But yeah, making like 10, 20K a week. Oh, no worries with it. Because of how can you enter on a rebalance candle? Bro, can you just enter, man? You see the rebalance, okay, bro. You see the rebalance into the P way. You wait for the displacement candle after the rebalance, man. You look at this, okay. So let me fuck that. So do you see here? So okay, let's say clean, okay. You did not enter anywhere here. You waited for the proper retracement. The candles retrace into the so this was a rebalance candle into the vertical value gap. You enter when the candle is displacing away. Anywhere in this range from here, so from the break of this candle low to here was valid. You could even enter here to be honest. Stop loss above the candle week high here 24 points and you target 1 to 1 because your entry is late. But you see, Khalid, you wait for the displacement from the rebalance. That's it, to be honest, bro. What a low character. Yeah, bro, he was. Please, about now. But can you leave a recording on for trade? Yeah, I am trying to worry. I'm going to do a different recording for this. So, I use so what's my best user balance in the fantasy before you? That was yeah. To be honest, yeah, because El Capo, you want to see that our manipulation are either going to be based off of the manipulation or the rebalance. It's either of the two. But yeah, we got another day. Fuck. So this day, so this is going to be the last day for backtesting. So we got May 30, like the 30th of May. Third, well, fuck. 30 of May. Bro, holy, what the fuck is this kind? Yeah, yeah, don't worry about it. I got you. Like it is recorded. So we got the what's it? 30. But I will see you tomorrow, guys. Just be patient enough to wait for proper structure. My bad. For proper structure in the macro. Wait for it. So it was the 30th of May. Is this correct? 30. Yeah. Give us another live trade recap. Don't worry, I'm going to do the recap for AM because bro, PM was not even like, bro, I was looking at PM. Bro, it was so bad. Holy fuck. Well, I was literally seeing, bro, like, damn. Like, it was, to be honest, if I did trade it, maybe I would have, like, cashed some shorts, but yeah, don't worry. Thank you, couple. Got you, beautiful. So, let me just do this, man, because, bro, that's why, man, never buy Forex replay. Do the Outlook emails, just use that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we do see, we go to the 50-minute time frame here. One, two, three. Okay. So do you typically, bro, Diego R, bro, I trade every day, bro. Bro, I really just don't give a fuck, bro. I just trade, bro. I even trade powers like AM, bro. I really just don't give a fuck. Bro, if I lose, I lose, bro. That's it. Bro, it comes to point, bro, like when you lose, that's it. Really. Like there is nothing else to do. Holy. Thank you, Capo. Thank you, man. Holy man, holy. So 6, 7, 8. That's good. So we go 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, bro. Like Diego R. Like to be honest, it's not to be egotistical, but I think I do have enough experience in the model that I could win pretty much every day. And just because I do know like how to trade the model like as a whole, that's why. So let me see. Oh fuck, I was going to phone. So let me see what is price telling me on the 1 hour. So as of now, I do see that what the price do. Price made this SMT. But this is really tricky because as of now, on the 1 hour, we do see this SMT here. We do see, wait, go back. This SMT is here on ES. So we do see the SMT on the 1 hour time frame. I do see that price is still current. Price is still respecting this volume imbalance because we are closing above it, but we're not displacing away from it. So on the 1 hour, we do see the SMT and the rebalance for the volume imbalance. As of now, this SMT dual liquidity, it is either going to be this low that we already take, the 50% of this week here, or the low itself here. So it is either going to be as of now, because as of now, what do we see? On the 1 hour time frame, price rebalanced into the what? Into the rejection block here, because this high manipulator, like this high manipulator, so this would be the rejection block. Price retrace into the rejection block, displace lower. I want to see what is price telling me on the lower time frame on the 50-minute time frame. So as of now, on the 50-minute time frame, price retraces into this CB here because this was the part left of the CB. And we do see the retracement into the inverted fair value gap as well. So as of now, I do see the 50-minute time frame, price rebalance into a high time frame CB. Let me see what is price doing from 9:30 to 9:45. Nah, bro, fuck new source, man. Bro, it's just going to like confuse you, man. Really, just trade the day as it is. That's it. Like, I do have source like on when to enter on specific times, but you guys really don't need it. You guys just need to lock the fuck in and just do something else, like just to trade properly. So as of now, this is going to be Friday. So PCE day. Let me wait again for 9:48. Let me see what this price telling me. So 9:30 to 9:45. So what do I see? I do see that this week, so this 9:30 week, what does it do? It retraces into the 50-minute inverter fair value gap here, it retraces into the wicks here and into the rejection block on the 1 hour. So 9:30, so 9:30 open, what did it do? Retrace into the 1 minute CB, into the 50-minute inverter fair value gap, into the 1 hour rejection block. From this respect of these PDWs, I am expecting at least this draw liquidity to be met to this low. And if this low does not get respected, then this low is going to be the next draw liquidity. I want to see that as of now, this is a low probable day. On low probable days, try to be in and out, really always, because price is really just going to fuck you up. So as of now, what do we see? So 9:30 opens, displaces lower, displaces through the BC. From the retracement into the BC, what does price do? Price displaces lower, makes what? Market structural shift. This BC, so what does this BC do? This BC gives retracement into this internal PXL here. So this would be a kind of internal PXL, so this internal PXL gave us what? This placement lower. So as of now, price is holding the bearish signatures because we do have this inverted fair value gap. I want to see what is price going to tell me in this BC here, in this part of the BC. As of now, price is not displacing at all. It's not really giving me any displacement to the downside or upside because we do see that at 9:40, so just before macro, after we did sweep this low, what did price do? Price rebalanced into the inverted fair value gap. We did like this is not a high, but like we did rebalance into the inverted fair value gap, perfectly respected it, and we do see displacement lower. So as of now, I would like to see what is macro going to tell me. Let me see. Because 9:30 manipulated higher, which weighs into a high time repeater way, displaced lower, made internal PXL, made the inverted fair value gap. As of now, just before macro, price retraced into the inverted fair value gap, and I want to see what is price going to tell me around 9:48, 9:47, like 9:47, 9:48. I want to see what is price going to tell me. So 9:45 opens, it is displacing higher, so you could be looking for like maybe a rebalance into the vertical value gap and then a displacement lower. Let me see. Holy fuck. Oh, that's why, because we do see this SMT. So as of now, I want to like I don't know if this should be so not like I just want to say okay, from this SMT, look to see, okay, if there is displacement above this high, you can take longs. But I'm telling you, if you do take longs here, you have to accept the fact that the dual liquidity is still lower. Because you want to see that as of now, no bullish PDRA are getting respected apart from this buy-side imbalance. You don't have any high time frame context behind it. So if you want to pattern trade, you're going to enter here one to one. This is still valid because we do see SMT, we do see like internal turtles, like we do see this mini turtle superior, and price goes higher. But let's see if this as holy well that did not his that just actually does, but that's fine, okay. Well, our narrative is still right. I want to see what his price going to tell me around 9:47, 9:48. So as of now, I want to see what price did at macro open. So as macro open on ES and on NQ, price displays higher, made SMT. So as soon as macro open, it made SMT with its internal high. I want to see what this price is going to tell me as of now. Let me see. So 9:46 opens. You see displacement. Holy fuck. I think I missed the entry. So we do see this order block. Let me see if I do see a retracement deeper into the order block. Because I could be taking this entry here as well. But this is still a really shitty entry. Holy fuck. Bro, zero point 0.6. Hell no. Let me see. So we do see that 9:47 wicks again into the order block. I would like to see as of now. Wait, just let me do this at the left. I would like to see the 9:47 retrace into the order block. Do you see any PXL? Oh, yes, we do. So as of now, what do we do on the 5 minute time frame? On the 5 minute time frame, price made this high time frame PXL. As of now, I could be expecting for price to retrace into it on the 1 minute time frame as we did because macro open made SMT in the PXL. So these are really good setup. We could be entering there in the 5 minute PXL. So want to see what is price going to do. We retrace into the order block here. Holy fuck. Okay, do something. So 948, this place is higher. I wanted to see what is price going to do. So as of now, price, holy fuck, 9 seconds. So as of now, price, the 940 candle retraced higher into the order block. What did price do at the next candle? The next candle immediately displaced lower. So the next candle, what did the next candle do? The next candle disrespected the BC, displaced through, made internal changes to delivery here. In 9 seconds, we already have done the move. So we can expect the next 20, 30 seconds to be displacement. Because as soon as the candle open, let me go on the 1 second time frame. Because if you do see here, as soon as the candle opened, 4901 we just immediately displace, like immediate displacement lower. So as of now, I'm looking to enter on the speed and efficiency after what? I'm entering on the 1 minute displacement candle after the retracement into the order block, like and in the PXL and from the SMT as well. Let me see. Let me see. 26. Just before that. Yo, what's the go for, bro? Oh, yeah, bro. Holy fuck. I felt manipulated. So, bro, I just want to see this play. Like, I really don't want to see this, like, reverse on me as of now. Because if you do, bro, I'm fucked. Okay, so TP got hit there. That's fine, bro. That's it. Bro, nothing bad to say about it. You had a TP. What do you mean a couple? I had a TP. Bro, I'll always have a TP. Oh, bro, this looks sexy. It could be looking to retrace into the. Yeah, this could be a nice target as well. Holy bomba. Don't worry, Blizzard. I'm going to I'm going to do the trade recap now. But that's it. We finished backtesting for today. Let's do the trade recap. Sip, 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 sip. Oh, where was it? Oh, my bad. I love to replay. I fucking know with that. Bro, to be honest, I love to roll replay. The entry I took was the OTE. It was after the displacement candle from the retracement into the order block. But anywhere from 940, just let me show you. Maths charts, but it's going to be way easier for me and you. So do you see here, Jack to homo test, bro? Your name is fucking, bro. I love to roll. Come on, game. So do you see as of now, from 946, you could enter anywhere here. You enter here on the order block formation. You can enter, but your stop loss has to be above this candle or just a bit higher because this is an inverted fair value gap. Price retreats into it and displaces lower. So if your stop loss is above there, it is valid. What's the rest of the you see, you catch no worries, G. So waited for the unlocked information because the to be honest, Fatih, I waited for the display. I waited for the displacement. Why? Because this is a low probable day. Now, this is a mid probable day on a Friday, and you want to see that the price is most likely going to give us, like, how can I say that, Fatih? Because on low probable days, we want to have clear displacement, like really, really good displacement. Bro, let's all fucking watch karting, bro. Yo. Okay, so should I do the trade recap? Okay, got you. Yes, beautiful guys. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, this is my I'm in bonus chart. Holy fuck, that's fine. We don't care at all. So let me see on the daily. Holy, we just pumped higher. Bro, if tomorrow, bro, this ain't cute. Yeah. So let me see what is price telling me. So let me go the AM markets. Let me go through it. So as of now, I was pretty bearish in the macro. So there was few reasons. One, so there was a 1 hour CB at the left here. So price was like really accumulating into the 50% of a CB. If you look at the left on top sub X, there was a 1 hour CB just like at the left of the chart. We do see internal manipulation. From this internal manipulation, I did anticipate for price to go lower for a few reasons. One, because we don't have any kind of manipulation. Because we want to see that price is most likely going to retrace and displace higher again if you do see any kind of manipulation. But in this case, we do see on the 50-minute time frame. So let me go on from 9:30 to 9:45. Let me mark out the important PDOs. We do see the 50-minute CB. We do see that this 50-minute BC as well. And we do see these equal lows because these equal lows today were major liquidity. Why? Because I want to see that this is clean liquidity. Equal lows are most likely always going to get met. Not this because price could easily take out this and then this place like reverse higher. But let me see on the 1 minute time frame as of now. So on the 1 minute time frame, I want to see this was my bias today. So as 9:30 open, price retraced higher, my bad, price rebalanced higher into the 50-minute CB. We made a turtle soup here. As we made the turtle soup there. So let me do this. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. Yes, yeah. Let me go 9:45 on yes. 9:40. Yo, what the fuck was this? Was it this bad? 9:45. Holy, it was so choppy. Okay. So as 9:30 open, price rebalanced into the 50-minute CB, made the turtle soup. From the turtle soup, what am I seeing? I do see displacement. So as of now, what is this? This is an order block as of now. So from 9:30 to 9:32, from here to here, price made the turtle soup, rebalanced into the 50-minute CB, and we displaced lower. As of now, I want to see what are the next candle doing. As of now, I do see the price is just rebalancing into the order block. If you do see, and this candle placed the what? Price the what? Price made an SMT at the highs. So there was an SMT like this, like from this high here to this high. So as of now, when price rebalanced into the order block, we made SMT and we displaced lower. So this displacement happened after the SMT was formed. So this is another order block. So we do see what? The price rebalances into the CB here. Bro, I don't know, bro. Some of you, bro, are just dickheads. You guys just enter here just to enter. That's it. You enter here. You don't see the bro at 9:30 is going lower. You don't wait. You don't wait for macro, and then, bro, you just come into ask Kartik, why did I lose, bro? The Wiz, are you are you dumb? Bro, are you dumb? Come on, gang. Bro, go sir, bro. You are a dickhead, man. Like, bro, why do you even enter 9:44? Bro, there's no reason. Bro, there is no reason, bro. I am making money just because I wait for 9:45, just because of it. Nothing else. I wait for macro. I'm not like you guys, bro. I'm telling you, I never made these dumb mistakes, bro. You were, to be honest, but you were, but you have to change them because the I think the only mistake I never done was not trading in the macro. Bro, I always traded in the macro, always. So don't worry, don't. I will go through that. So as of now, I do see that price will balance lower. I want to see what is price going to tell me at macro open in the CB. So as of now, price rebalance into the BC. We made more liquidity here because as of now, yes, we did have this SMT at the lows, but you want to see that this SMT was really not important at all because this SMT was valid, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Holy fuck, bro. I'm just getting and we know, so from this SMT was valid if price displays through this CB, making this as an inverted fair value gap, displacing above this high, making what? The market starts to shift. But in this case, we did nothing. Price and macro open. What the fuck did this candle do? This candle open turns us to the high. with disrespected the BC. So as of now, if 945 money plays higher is respecting the CB, disrespects the BC, and we do see clean equal lows to the downside. From here, from the turtle soup, I am anticipating for price to go lower. And we do see what? That from this order block, what is price telling me? At 946, price rebalances into the 50%, and the next candle displaces away from the 50%. So this is telling me that price is truly bearish. So you could be looking for any entries into the order block. Here, you enter there, stop loss above the body candle wick because this is really a large order block here. A one to one there, that's it, in and out. But you want to see that as of now, bro, as if you just wait, because bro, I'm telling you, this candle alone was enough confirmation because you want to see that from this turtle soup, from this order block, why the fuck our prices are on, oh my fucking brother. So I want to see that from this fuck yeah. So from this order block, price the what? Price was telling me that price what? Bro, my bad. So from this turtle soup, price displays lower. And where was the Joe liquidity? The Joe liquidity was lower because as of now, price does not have any kind of manipulation. Because from this turtle soup and the retracement into the order block, you wait. You can wait for a little bit more confirmation. You can maybe wait for the retracement into the order block because as 945 displays through the BC, respected the CB, made internal manipulation, made change in the set of delivery here. What is price telling me? The price is looking for bearish prices because as macro opened, we manipulated, we displaced lower, we made changes of delivery, and then we were looking for equal lows back. But you guys were literally, bro, just fucking dickheads, man. Uh, dude, for longs, they were valid because, oh, what the fuck is the chart? So here, so dude, I was just saying, so for longs, this was valid because from the retracement into the, wait, from the retracement into this 50-minute BC and into this volume imbalance, price really just immediately reversed. Because if you go on the 1 minute time frame, what did price do from that 50-minute BC and that 50-minute volume imbalance? Price immediately reversed higher. And you want to see the don't, you can enter on the first candle closure because this candle, to be honest, was literally enough confirmation because price closed above the inverted fair value gap. But if you wait, like if you want to wait for a little bit more confirmation, like what do you see at the 953 candle? The 953 candle displaces away from the retracement into the 50-minute BC. We do see the price displace low a lot because if you go on the 4 hour, what was price doing in the macro? Holy fuck, where is it? Holy bro, I hate trading view. So so this was the candle in the macro. You want to see that here price was in a high time frame BC. So the draw liquidity was higher. Price was in a 4 hour BC. We can expect the move to happen. Like, bro, shorts and longs today were valid. But to be honest, though, I really didn't even pay attention to the how can I say that? I didn't pay any attention to the lows at all because bro, I was out here, bro. I just closed the charts to be honest. But to be honest, this displacement candle was more valid because from this displacement candle, price invalidated the my bad. Price respected the vertical value gap. We retrace into it and then we displace higher. If you do look closely, we did have a BC here as well. So we did have this small BC, price retrace into it, then displace higher. So to be honest, bro, longs were really good to like today. You look here, like you look to enter there. Stop loss either here or below this candle wick low. You look for one to one, like or for whatever you want. That's fine. Bro, like my entry was something, but just let me trade. But to be honest, you guys want to see that if you don't have any relevant manipulation, do not expect price to reverse yet. Because just let me recap it for you for 1 second. If price was truly bullish immediately from this turtle soup, price would have literally just pumped higher. Like it would have done this to be honest, like this. From this candle, with this place higher, PXH in play, retracement higher. In this case, price was looking for what? Just look at what do we have on the left of the 1 minute time frame. We do have one low here and one low here. If price is really close to those lows, what are we going to do? We are most likely going to take them because this is liquidity, bro. market runs on liquidity only because if price is accumulating with just before these laws, what we are doing, we are just engineer liquidity. Because today, guys, I can say that you guys were my liquidity. Because today, you fuckers enter here, here, you enter, you did not look at the left at all. Because what the fuck was here? Equal lows. So you don't know, okay, the price made equal lows. Like this candle made equal lows here, literally. This was the low of this candle was around uh 495 and this candle low was 493. You entered when price made equal lows. We made this mini turtle soup. If you don't enter anywhere here, target here, get in and out. But no, you just go for this just because you're a fucking dickhead. You go for that, you go for this, you go for this. Come on, guy, like come on, G. And you enter, bro, you people, I think, bro, most of you are going to fail just because you can't enter after macro. If you wait for for the macro, like 9:45, you wait for it. You can literally enter here, stop loss above here. That's it. You go for 1 to 1 or you either go for here, but that's still fine. Still a shitty trade, a shitty field. But if you look for 1 to 1, 20 points, even some, bro, that's it. That's it. Okay, man, bro, you guys literally will make me go bold soon. But let me see the questions. So I do see it when I watched the okay, so with this, otherwise the other world. See, bro, bro, GG, I never win trade before that. Like maybe, like because you want to see that I lock my account till 9:45. So even if I do, even if I do see the setup, I can't take it. I will just not. I will miss the entry. That's fine. I will come Monday, bro. That's fine. Bro, oh fuck Miami, man. Like I will go to Miami only, like maybe in the future, but when you can't now. So, but please place me through. Yeah, bro. Rizzo, you're a deacon, man. I was going to take shorts in the 4 hour BC. Well, Lucas, as I did say before, in the high time frame fair value gap, look at what is price telling you on the low time frame. What is the market doing? Because Lucas, answer me, okay, here. On this candle, what was price doing, bro? Just let me remove all of this shit. So on this candle, on this 9:45 candle, price was respecting the turtle soup. But where is price going to the downside? So as of now, the 4 hour BC is still not in play because we don't have any kind of internal relevant manipulation. That's why on the high time frame fair value gap, either you see immediate displacement telling you the price wants to go higher, or you wait for the manipulation. The same thing as PXH. It is either going to be immediate displacement or internal manipulation. The same thing on the high time frame fair value gaps. But Lucas, look at what is price doing internally, like on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, to be honest, bro, Lucas, don't look at the 4 hour at all because the 4 hour is inaccurate. Like it's not really accurate. Look at the 50 minute time frame, the 1 hour and the 1 minute. Bro, your entry was shit to be honest, bro. Bro, what the fuck is this entry, man? You're entering, bro. Like, don't you see what we do have on the left, man? We literally have equal lows. And why are you targeting even lower? Why don't you enter here? Like, enter on this kind of displacement kind of. Tristan, don't be scared, man. You enter on the displacement kind of from the 50% of the order block. You enter there, you accept the risk, and you get out here, like here, not here, here. Come on, man. Oh, good shit. Yes, I always do. I always do Rockstar. You take a long safe price. No, to be honest, Blizzard no, because the dual liquidity at that time was still lower. If the equal loads were taken before, then yes, but the equal loads were still there, were still like really clean, like just waiting for me to rape them. That's it. So when the 948 turns up the 1 hour BC equal low, that means you. But to be honest, bro, my TP got at like by like 1.50 like 1 point and 50 cents. So I just hold it. That's it. So, to be honest, bro, don't size up. Like if you see like like your stop loss is like I don't know like 20 points, 15 points, bro, just size up. Come on, man. You bet your right bro that you can lose them. Okay. To be honest, bro, it's just my market experience because my market experience because I know that most of the time when we do have internal high time frame lows in a fair value gap, in a high time frame fair value gap, price will take those internal lows, then will reverse higher. You drive the TP on top step house, bro. Always manually close, always. Like I really don't have TP or stoppers at all. I just close there. That's it. From bro, but that's still progress, man. Really, but want to see that waste, bro. This is just a number. What matters is here. And you see, bro, like this shipment was not in place at all. Was bro, this is just bro. This is fake. What you wanna see is how you make this money. Was this overtrading? Most likely, yes. You made money, that's fine. You want to see that, bro. You lost this evil maybe on the next 3 days or the next week. Maybe. I think so. Uh wait, don't. Are you on the evil or funded? Holy man, I'm waiting for your cooked. To be honest, bro, it depends. If you're in the evil man, just go higher size. Just risk bro, if you have wait, don't you don't have a job, bro? Just go like 2 minutes, man. Like 2 minutes, 1 minute on the evil, and on the express, on the further, I would say start with 5 micros. Find consistency for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. 5 to 8 micros. Slowly size up to 7, 8 micros. And so, when your balance grows in the funnel, grow your size as well. If it is 1K, go for 8 micros. Slowly build the buffer. When you're at the buffer, go 1 mini. Bro, I'm not. Like, come on, gang. Bro, you can't even enter in the market. Bro, you don't deserve nothing, Mr. Bro. Fuck you. Nah, but I still love you, man. Don't worry, don't worry. No, so force yeah. Oh yeah, were you the guy who was who was trying to be Paula? So I was wishing he was both trying to get back to just man, bro. Alright, bro, you're just egotistical as fuck, bro. You got one payer, bro. You think you're the shit. But you really speak like that, man, because you want to see that, bro. I'm making your payout in your payout amount is like 20 points for me. You want to see that, just be humble and know that, bro, you're nothing in this game. Be humble enough to know that, okay, I did this wrong, so just let me take it slow. Go 1 minute on the even. Don't go 2, 3 minutes. You see, Wolfers, man. Have a nice day. Yeah, but you do, bro. You fucking, bro. You guys, I think, bro, most of you guys, bro, are just not spoiled. You guys are really not emotional. Like, how can I say that? You guys are just not emotional hard. Like, to be honest, bro, that it is what it is. Mature, bro. Not even mature, bro. Like, bro, some of you, bro, are just made there just to troll and to bear like all day. To be honest, Lucas, when I did up my size, bro, how can I say that? Like, when I did up my size, it really didn't change anything because one, I did have the buffer. Two, I was getting paid even with lower size because I know that Lucas, if I take one loss with the higher size, I will go back to smaller size. That's it. And really, I will try one trade. If I do feel good or acceptable risk, I will go on. You want to see the Lucas? If you don't take the risk, no one will. So you have to take it, man. So I think the problem is about taking a position before. So I think the problem is about taking a position before the 45 or a couple. I think the biggest problem as of now is your bro. I saw like so many people that enter 944. But you want to see that. Was the 944 entry aligned with the narrative? Like, do we have any high tempo manipulation? No. Do we have any high tempo POI map? No. Bro, to be honest, you guys want to see that, bro. How can I even probably say it? Bro, you guys are literally ignoring the most important part about this model, that it is macro only. It's not like, to be honest, bro. When someone does say 943, 942, is when you see like displacement like really strong, bro. You want to see the bro? Like you guys, like I think that 37 people, at least 30 of you never passed, not never passed, never made a payout. But you want to see that, so why the fuck I even traded before macro, bro? When I was unprofitable, I always traded after macro, like in the macro, always. You guys just want to be right just because you want to see the bro. If you guys just focus on the macro, you guys will win every day, bro. I can guarantee it. If you guys really focus on the macro, take it slow, understand price. That's it, bro. You're good. Let's go first pair because after that. So to be honest with you, bro, I was good because I was copy trading my EVAs and Express. I just passed them. That's it. Because I just, bro, to be honest, bro, 600 literally. I did invest it into EVAs. I passed them on the first try. Because I would go like 7, 8 micros, 1 milli, most of like most my size like my biggest size was like 1 milli, something like that. Bro, it is, bro. Like bro, classic EVAs, bro. If you just like bro, treat it the same way as an express, but just size higher. Just do like 1, 2 milli, trade the best you can, but just pass it like that. That's it. To be honest, Lucas, it depends. Because if the candle just closes above the high, and the next candle immediately displaces lower. So we do see manipulation higher. The candle closes higher, but we do see displacement lower. And most likely, that is an order block and price is going to reverse. You'll see you don't have a nice day, beautiful. No worries, man. No worries. Got you. So I just, bro, always, bro, like Gigi, if you go look at my trades in the server, like for the past 2, 3 weeks, man, they were always in the market, like always, man, like never after the market, never. Should I don't know. Yo, let me close the recording. That's it. Bro, just take it slow, man, because I'm telling you, Arya, bro. I think, bro, like most of you guys, bro, are living good. Like, do have a job, don't have like bro, you want to see that your purpose is not an excuse to size higher on the evils. Your purpose, let's say your purpose is to retire your parents, is to work harder, smarter, and more efficient. If your purpose is to retire your parents, you have to trade properly. Don't go 3 minis on an eval when you only got one payout. Go 1 mini, max two. Take it slow because Arian, you are, to be honest, bro, like if I do see you trading, bro, I'm going to crash out on you because, like, bro, if I don't see, like, because, bro, this guy, user, I was in a call with him, like, it was like not one to one, it was like a private call. I was with this guy, bro. This guy couldn't read a fucking candle, bro. Oh my days, bro. Bro, this guy got raped. But this guy couldn't read the how like there was a candle after news. He couldn't read what that candle did. Like he couldn't say it. Like that candle did a turtle, so he couldn't say it, man. But most of you guys are like that. Arian, you're most of you like that because most likely, bro, you don't even know how to read price properly. Yeah, but just take it slow, man. Because bro, it's not destroying you, bro. You just have to learn. But just let me I think yeah, but user, you did improve, but because you passed your folder, bro, you're going to get the pay, but be humble. Bro, Ariel, bro, that's only the process, man. Really. That's the process, really. Just take it slow. Don't hurry the process. You see some people come on, have a stage. That makes sense. This kind of what do you think about data weeks off of new cans? Just work out the 50% and see how price reacts to it. That's it. See you, beautiful. Call it. To be honest, bro, I love to replay. If I don't find an entry, like early in the macro, I'm most likely, I think like around 10:05, 10 or 10, I'm out. But most likely, I'm confident enough that I'm going to get the entry early in the macro. Say some of this. Yeah, bro, like one to one, man. Like if your stop loss is 50 points, the volatility is most likely going to be less. Yeah, to be honest, really, bro, just focus on what is making you consistent. Bro, just go 1 minute. Like, take it slow, bro, because Arian, when you take it slow, is where you progress the most. Like, really, bro. Like, because when you just focus on being a good trader, not tilting, respecting your plans, like, and doing everything correctly, that's where you progress a lot. You're taking because always, bro. I don't know, man. If you want to go 1 minute, go 1 minute. Like, look at what price does. Bro, to be honest, Lucas, I did know how to train this model like in 2 or 3 weeks when I joined like this group because I really locked in a lot like in this like server because I was backtesting all days but I was backtesting efficiently but I think I did understand price really well. It was just my emotions really. It was really just my emotions. Like I had to implement external discipline in my life. That's what really changed for me. 100%, right? To be honest, journaling is key because if you guys did a journal today and maybe tomorrow you wake up, you don't know the mistakes you did yesterday. But if you do journal and if you do see, okay, today I made this mistake. Yesterday I made it. I made wait, my bad. Yesterday I entered a guest narrative. Today I'm going to enter with the narrative. Like bro, it changed. I'm telling you, the changes will come so fast once you really just focus on your mistakes and you focus on like getting better. Bro, yeah, bro. What we do is to do like how losing days, bro. Shut up, man. Fuck, Jacob, bro. Like just size down, man. Like, bro, you've been almost training for like months now. Bro, I wasn't, bro. We got like a one-to-one call, bro. Come on, gang. Well, just take it slow. Just size down, man. Just go like to 3, 4 micros and trade only high powerful days. Bro, you journal them, you learn from them, that's it. And you don't do them again. It's that easy. You journal them, you know what they are, and you just work on them. That's it, man. Really. So, what do you guys have? Do you guys have any more questions? No. Just let me close the recording.